Supposedly there's a dog park here. Sunny, do you want to go to the doggy park?
Yes, you do.
Yes,
you do.
Happy Sunny.
I'm running down on any bitch.
Can't hurt to try.
Cookies and cream?
Yeah. Got the goods.
You got the goods.
I'm so happy to have my favorite coffee I've ever tried. So this place is called Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, and my first time trying.
Starting route to Chipotle Mexican Grill.
Sorry.
Chipotle. Oh my gosh.
50 feet.
This
Take
has
a
been
right
such
up
a
Gateway Village.
okay, Siri. This has been such a great road trip so far. Sunny's doing well. Boobs is energized and carrying us through.
Hell yeah.
I got my favorite coffee of all time. My first time trying this is when we came out here to LA to see Connecticut Sun versus the LA Sparks.
And I'm wearing my sun shirt.
Yes. And oh my God, this coffee changed my life because I did not know you can have cookies and cream and coffee together and just be
So
super
delicious.
Oh, it's almost like a milkshake, but it's so like you could taste the coffee. Like the coffee is very potent. It's such a delicious combo. Yeah, I've been thinking about it ever since. It's been almost a year since I had this, and I'm about to put my straw in here and try it.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, we're just about to get some Chipotle. We're super close to LA. Now we're in Santa Clarita. I guess I should say why we're taking a road trip to LA.
Yeah.
We are visiting our friend Effie for her birthday. She flew out here to the LA area to meet up with one of her friends, and we decided to drive down to meet her and just celebrate her birthday and be in LA for a few days, explore, hang out. So yeah, that's what we're doing for the next few days. Super excited about it.
Just gonna have fun with our friends.
Yeah, just fun with our Dallas homie. We haven't seen her in, it's been like over a year or two,
Since
right?
our wedding.
Damn, since our wedding.
September 22.
So yeah, we're gonna have some fun this weekend. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can so we can have these memories for as long as YouTube exists, I guess.
It's as good as you remember.
I'll fight over this drink. I'll start a riot. It's so good. Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
I just wanted the honest at the first sip.
Is the coffee and the cookie.
And the cream, like, come on. Yay, we finally made it to our hotel room. It's actually a pretty nice hotel room. We like to stay at Best Western so we can earn our points. So yeah, we just chose the Best Western in downtown, and we're about to get set up and take some showers and head over to see our homie Effie. Come on, son.
We're in LA.
LA girlies.
We're in LA.
We're in Koreatown specifically. We're letting Sunny walk around, do his business. It's so weird being out here with just sidewalks, no grass.
It's like not even little wood chip.
Yeah, and like no patches of grass anywhere. But hey, that's LA for you.
Hell yeah.
Jump. Good boy.
Hey. Girl, on whom I can rely.
You tell them, Sonny.
Good boy.
Tell them how I'm defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye. I'm defying gravity.
Ooh, should we go in and watch Wicked?
Do we? Oh, we can watch Wicked. Let's go watch Wicked. Sunny. Come on, Pumps. Back to the hotel to eat some kimbap that we just bought. One cool thing about the city is it's very walkable. Very walkable, very smelly. My nose is picking up on a lot of smells that aren't pleasant. Perks of being autistic.
We're handling it with grace.
Get some gourmet ass food on the street out here. So we just got some churros from the streets.
We had to. I can smell the cinnamon from here.
Oh, I can't wait to eat some fresh churros. Devour some fresh churros.
You have a black king here, red queen, black joker, red 10, black 9.
The homies. Yee.
Let's hope they have really good Wi-Fi.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop in and talk a little bit about my friend Trevis. This is actually his artwork that you're looking at, and I just wanted to say a few words on Trevis' behalf. I went to high school with Trevis, Mansfield Timberview High School, and although I wasn't friends with him, I just remember seeing him very often. He was very charismatic, always had a smile on his face, always had people around him laughing. I didn't get to really encounter Trevis' energy and spirit until later after high school. Trevis was in a grade above me, so he was in the same grade as my oldest brother. And I just remember going to South by Southwest for the first time with my brother and Trevis being there. And that was like my first time interacting with Trevis. And all I can really say is that his energy made me feel so, so safe. And every time I met him afterwards, he was just always so encouraging, always giving words of wisdom, and just like his energy was just so peaceful, so pure. And I never had to question his motives or intentions. It was just like he he was angelic. His spirit was super, super angelic. And I was not expecting to go to Mahedit's home and see Trevis artwork just out like that. And I didn't even know it was Trevis artwork. I don't even know how we got on the subject, but we just started talking and Trevis came up and we started talking about how amazing he was, how much of a good person and spirit he was. And I just started crying because he really was a great person. And I actually, about like 6 months ago, probably closer to a year ago, I had went on a mushroom trip. And during my mushroom trip, during those sacred journeys, the veil is super, super thin. And in that experience, I encountered Trevor's spirit. And I know it was Trevor's spirit because it is what I felt is exactly what I felt when I was around him. It's just like a blanket of security, a blanket of safety, a blanket of just peace. The more that I was encountering and spending time with this spirit, I kind of felt like this sense of sadness come over me. And I was just confused because I never known Travis to be a sad person. He's always been like a pretty vibrant human being, pretty much kept a smile on his face. And I was trying to be like, what's up with you guy? Like, why are you sad? Why am I feeling this way? And what he tried to help me understand through my spirit is that like he feels like people are treating him like he's no longer here. They're not talking to him anymore. And he was feeling lonely. And that instantly like make me wanted to cry because I have dead relatives who I am in constant communion with, and I constantly talk to them as if like they're still here. And he was just pretty much saying that he wished that he had people who would still talk to him like he was still here because his spirit is still here on earth. And so I just wanted to take the time here to say, um, if you knew Travis at any point of his life, please take some time to talk to him. Please take some time to tell him that you love him and keep him up to date with what you're doing. Just talk to him as if he's still here because he still wants to interact and he still wants to play and he still wants to be vibrant and have fun with us. So please talk to Trevis. Trevis was an amazing artist. And as you can see, his artwork on the screen, um, just a multi-talented individual. And I was so lucky and blessed to Mehedet, my friend, who gifted me one of his paintings. And I don't want to tear up right now, but I'm just super grateful. I'm super grateful that we went on this trip to LA. I wasn't expecting to meet a new friend in Mahedet, and to I wasn't expecting to come back home with one of Trevis' art pieces, and it's something that I will cherish and have with me for the rest of my life. It's one of my most prized possessions that I have, and it's sitting up on my desk, and I can't wait to find a place in our new home to hang it. But yeah, just please talk to not only Trevis, but if you have any other loved ones who has passed, take some time in a day to talk to them, spend time in communion with them. And I promise it may seem silly, but in reality, it's not. It's energy, and energy never dies. So keep that in mind. Talk to your people, uplift your people, let them know that you're still thinking about them, and that's it.
It already zoomed out. Yeah.
It's our last day in LA.
Bittersweet.
It is bittersweet. Right at the end, I was starting to get a little bit acclimated to the city, but I am very happy to be on our way back home
To our small town.
Before I was rudely interrupted by my son, I was saying how, oh yeah, we're going back to small town living, which is nice.
Also
because
bittersweet.
that's also bittersweet. Love the nature, but yeah, the people. We saw so many cool looking people out here.
Mm-hmm.
Just like how people express themselves in the way they dress and whatnot. It was just nice to see
Diversity.
Mm-hmm. I love people watching and observing. It's just, yeah, it's fun being out here in the city, seeing so many different types of people and styles of living and culture in like one spot. But it's also like a lot too. It could be overstimulating having so much people in one concentrated area. So yeah, that's the bittersweetness of it. But we really enjoyed our time here in LA and feel really good about it. I got a piece of artwork from a friend of mine who passed. His name is Trevis. We share a mutual friend. Her name is Mahedet, and she had some of his art pieces from one of his last shows that he did, and she gave me one of his pieces, which is, oh my god, like I was crying, I was sobbing. But I'm just so grateful to have a piece of him with me forever. And yeah, we're just gonna end it there because it's sunny.